I have much pleasure on behalf of the Fijian government and the people of Fiji in welcoming our gladiators, our Fiji Bati heroes back home. You are truly an inspiration to us all, especially to our children. Your achievements will last in many memories around Fiji, particularly your win against the mighty New Zealand. The Rugby League nations have been touched by Fiji Bati's unity, commitment, graciousness, and humility, both on and off the field. Many were left in admiration while you sang our devotion, Nongumasu, in unison and harmony, reflecting the brotherhood and the strong bond within the team. With you sang many Fijians, and with you lay many prayers. Many were heard singing in villages, in buses, in hospitals. You have left your mark on all Fijians, on many more abroad. You have once again showcased to the rest of the world that Fiji creates a sense of belonging, no matter where you live in the world. That pride of our nation is a foundation stone of all that we do. We have been delighted to be kept up to date by the regular diary entries by none other than Eloni Wunakeve, the videos shared by James Stora, and the interviewing skills of Junior Rongida. You have made each of us smile, each of us cry at one point in time. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no other way to describe Fijians better. We Fijians share in each other's sorrows and happiness. That's what makes us unique. That's what made the Fiji Bati unique and the standout team during the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, we became the second nation to defeat a Taiwan nation at the Rugby League World Cup, and indeed, in doing so, as Jaron Haynes said, we slayed a giant. Our Fiji Bati team has rejuvenated the sport again, and I hear many youths, young children, are already gearing up to follow in your footsteps. We, as a small sporting nation, continue to punch above our weight in all sporting events, and I have no doubt that soon we will be seen on the podium. You have truly achieved on the international stage, and I salute you for that. I hope you will enjoy your short time back at home with your loved ones and, importantly, with your many fans, sharing with them the amazing times you had during the World Cup. With those words, I welcome our heroes back. Vinaka, Dhanyavad, Shukran, and thank you all.